Hello and welcome to the Multirate Signal Processing Seminar 0. So this seminar is not graded, we are just going to use it to check the configuration if everything is working properly. At this point, I expect that you followed the instructions from the seminar's instructions and that you configured your environment. Now our friend Jimi Hendrix will go through the Seminar 0 and guide you in this process. So Jimi Hendrix is at his home folder. He has a working folder for the Multirate Signal Processing Seminars. Inside his seminars working directory, there is only the nbgrader config. So we're going to open this in terminal. Let's zoom in a little bit so everyone can see better. So we are at the correct folder, but we are in the wrong environment. So I'm using conda. So conda activate Multirate Signal Processes Seminars. So Jimi Hendrix is in the correct environment. He can start Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook opens successfully. We go here to assignments and we see that there is a released assignment for Seminar 0. So we can fetch. Once it's fetched, now we see that here we have our Seminar 0. Back here, there is downloaded assignment. So Seminar 0, we can open Seminar 0. So Seminar 0, there isn't anything that you need to solve. You just need to run the cells and it will just print something. So let's just do it. If you try to edit, it's not possible because those are read-only cells. So let's run our cells. Oh, we have a problem. So it seems that Jimi Hendrix didn't install a package. So it's missing this matplotlib. So we can go back here. We go to files. We go to new terminal. In our terminal, we activate the correct environment, Multirate Signal Processing Seminars. Then we will conda install from conda forge channel matplotlib. Yes, I want to proceed. Okay, it's done. So we can go back here. We try to run again. Then we print, so we're using Python version 3.8 and we have these libraries with these versions here also installed. You can save your notebook back to the assignments. You can submit your assignment and then it generates a submission the 5th of April at 11:10 and you submit your assignment. So after that, the instructor will grade your assignment and he can generate some feedback, and then it will be something like feedback available to fetch. Then you fetch feedback, or the instructor will decide another way how to give you some feedback. It will not generate this HTML page with the feedback. This is how it looks, the feedback, and we view the feedback. Just saying congratulations, all packages are installed. Probably if there would be something wrong here, you say import error, check if the library is installed and things like that. So not necessarily all seminars will have feedback like this available, but if you see here in the assignments that there is fetch feedback, if feedback is available, or view feedback, then you can see this feedback. This was Seminar 0. It's just to check if we configured everything correctly. And I see you next time.